invincible.
Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be episode 2 of our Workshop Awp series, and we're going to be doing another map today. Right, say hi Charlie.
Hi guys.
We're going to enter, today we're going to be playing Rust, I'm thinking, right?
No,
Nope.
High Rise.
High Rise, yeah. First
High
Modern
Rise
Warfare
is
2
on
one.
the agenda, so get
Wow!
ready to Menders. Who's hosting? Are you hosting it, Lucas?
I am going to host, and if I can remember
Okay.
how to do this.
So today we are playing High Rise. This has been requested by someone, and we thought, well, we may as well go and play it because I do enjoy making this series. It is quite funny and fun, of course, but I like it.
Alright, I need to download it, one sec.
Also, give us recommendations in the Steam Workshop or whatever it's called, what maps you would like us to do, and just link the name down below and we can go and search up and download them and just create the videos that you guys want to see. Because to be honest, we love playing any map, just it's funny playing against each other because we're just so competitive. But if you have not already, go and check out the last episode we did. It was really, really close, and that was probably a really good start to the series. Bragging rights are on the line. So, are you ready, Luke?
I am ready for this.
Let's get into the game. Let's go.
Right,
Let's
am
go
I
and
going
use-
terrorists? Am I going terrorists?
Yeah, you go terrorist, I'll go CT.
Good, right, okay. Oh, I need to
Once
kick
this is
bots.
started- So basically what we have to do is we have to go from the pistol to the SSG, then to the AWP. That is the point of the Workshop AWP. But if we're doing casual, then we can't obviously just we can't just go straight to the AWP, kind of, sadly.
Whew. Oh, this is bringing nostalgic feels back.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing happened in warm-up there.
Yeah, that was quite upsetting. Sorry about that. But let's get into the actual game. This is where it's all going to happen. I'm going to start off with... It's going to have to be the
Eeny, meeny,
5-7.
miny, mo, catch a advice. None of this
Lovely
feels like go.
cover
Eeny,
there.
meeny, miny, mo.
Not-
I'm good at attacking line. Oh, beautiful, Charlie. Just the way I want to win this game.
terrible for my sake.
Oh, I can buy an
That is
SSG now.
really terrible. I'm lagging, mate. I'm lagging. It's because I'm downloading. I need to go pause that download because... Well,
Just go pause
right,
it.
Luke, hold on a second. Don't kill me, okay?
I will not.
Let me get rid of all my tabs on the internet. That should help as well. Go here. Right, I'm gonna pause installation there. Sorry about this, guys. This is completely my fault. Lucas, yes, he's a retard, but we'll let that one pass this time, right?
I have no idea where you are. Are you even in the map?
Try the other side of the map.
Oh!
Oh no! No, 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 no.
What guns do you have? You had an SSG as well. You put me on 28. It's going to be very, very tight. So scared right now. I'm guessing he is over here, guys. I hit him once. I hit him once. Right. Gonna get a cheeky shot. I hit him once. If I don't get this kill, I'll be really annoyed.
So scared.
I think I saw something move. Ooh!
Nice shot. I was over in that corner.
3
Nice shot.
to nilch. It's gonna.
Yeah,
It's going well. Did I hit you?
No.
I'm inside. Oh shit! I just gave away my position. I need to get this. I'm gonna lose the round. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh,
Oh no! That was that. Come on.
That's not good for me.
You
but
won by
You
default.
are the best CS:GO player, mate. You are.
Oh, I could have shot you then. Oh!
Oh, you're up there. Oh.
And throw them through the window. Okay, that's not a window. And
Oh, minus 1 kills. Through.
minus Charlie.
I can't bloody help it, can I?
Oh, I don't know where you are. I never know where you are in this map. Oh, what? Where? Oh, you hit me.
Yeah!
No! You hit me through the thing as the oh, what's it called? The plane, the helicopter as well. You hit me through the helicopter as well. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I thought you were over there. I'm so scared. Oh! Right at the side.
That was an easy shot, too. Let's
It,
be honest. I was sticking out.
it was, but oh wow! How many shots did I miss then?
So me, I don't even know how that happened, right? 1 to 5. Woo, woo, woo. It's actually still quite close to it. 5 to 3. I know I did win a round because it ran out, but it's not bad. Shut that. There's people in the background.
Thing is, all it does is make me look bad because you've got the camera hiding you.
Mate. I wish I was recording this because that was actually quite a nice shot. Because you missed and then I swung to the left and just shot you first time. Did think I was going to miss, not going to lie, but not the point.
Oh no! I moved and then I've only got a pistol now.
Eh?
Can we use pistols this round?
I've only got an ult, mate. You snooze, you lose.
I'm gonna die. Oh wow. That's just not even funny.
5-5. Oh my god. Okay. After all, I was saying I was getting smashed. This is getting flipping close, guys. Comment down below now. Pause the video. Who you think is gonna win this? Obviously, it's best of 3, so I would just guess what. You can do a guess for this map and also a guess for
Overall,
yeah.
it's been pretty fun actually.
It's been good, but I think you've been a little bit robbed.
Oh, right at the back.
I thought I could have flipping like beat you because you wouldn't have thought I was coming behind. I went below and behind. Do not shoot in the head or I'll murder you.
Going for the nub job.
What?
Come on, you never used to noob tube in this game.
No.
Oh, I tried to no scope you. I shouldn't have done that. I should have just gone for the shot.
6-6. If you have commented, you have to stay by your word. Don't you dare go and change it because everyone I think will go with you. Oh my god, I nearly got you first shot.
I don't know where you are. Oh!
I just get to your position the whole time because you're a little newbie sniper that knows how to snipe and move and I can't.
That was through glass as well. That's not really
Yeah,
that much of
you've
a
won it.
achievement,
You've
but-
taken the series. There's no chance. I'm going to win 2 rounds after each other.
Game. If you win this, you
Good
get a
luck,
chance. No! Oh, I didn't check behind me!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Down
Guys,
to the
you have
line.
to treat- Because last time it only went down to running out of time. You had 5 seconds to try and kill me with your deathmatch last time. But I think this is better. No, this
I'm
is
so
ridiculous.
tense.
It brings it down to the last round. Oh my god, I could have won it. That actually actually sucked. I could have had the back. Right, I'm gonna check down mid because I've got a feeling that's where you like to hide.
I've gone silent.
Yeah, sorry about this, guys.
I'm
Honestly,
Major
'cause like
League
you said,
Gaming.
it's just so competitive that, well, we're scared to give away a position or anything, so... Where
Wait,
the hell were
did I
you?
hit you? Did I hit you?
Where the hell were you? Sorry,
To get this kill, my life depends on it.
I have no clue though, like... Such a small map for 2 people.
Oh, yes! You were going behind. I was standing up on the top all the time. Oh, I'm so happy.
I want to kill you. I'm strangling you. I'm going to terrace.
Right, you're going terrace. I will go CT this time. So that's 1 to me, guys.
Oh my god.
Right, pistols first round. This is tricky. Oh!
I didn't even hit you.
Nope, you didn't even hit me.
What? See, that's why Terrace Tech 9 is just shocking.
No, Terrace Tech 9 is okay.
Lagging though.
I can hear you like vigorously smashing the buttons. Oh no!
Woo! Boys, let's bring this to the end of the game. That is it from me, guys. Bambi.
Bambi!
Bambi. That's what I used to remember hearing on the games. No!
Oh, you looked to the wrong side.
No, I didn't. You.
Oh, okay. I thought you looked to the wrong side.
I did look at the wrong side, then I looked at you. If you shoot me, I will actually kill you. It annoys me so much.
No, 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 no. No.
Saved my life. See, look now. Oh.
Headshot! Now you have to give me that.
Oh, nah.
Or beautiful headshot. I'm taking your AWP.
Oh, was it an AWP? Yeah. You picked
No,
an
no, I had SSU, sorry.
AWP. Got an AWP now.
I have not now because I picked up your AWP.
Oh, if I get 3-0'd, mate,
Look at
I'm
his
not-
beautiful worm god. Is it factory new?
I think so. Must be close anyway. It's really good.
Oh my god, what is this? 2 CSGO. No, no, I just knew. Oh, then news.
You noob scoped me, I know you did.
I know scoped you.
You said noob. So
Yeah.
you noob. Why did you come to your head?
Noob scoped you. I just know scoped you.
You noob scoped. Which one is that? Huh? Huh? Hacks on bunny shots? Huh?
Did you say hacks on bunny shots?
Hacks on by any chance? Actually.
Oh, hacks on by any chance? Yeah, look. Hacks. Oh shit, you're actually there. I was just spinning around.
You better run, boy.
Okay. Come on. No, I changed gun. No, no, how?
Oh my god. Oh my flipping god.
That's not even fair.
I don't care. I'm taking the win. This is it, boys. This is our one. This is mine. This is mine. No
5 to
mistake.
5. This is another close game.
Yes. No one said.
Oh,
Wait, I jumped up. Why? I didn't need to do that.
that was just a lucky shot. I didn't even see you properly. I was like, I went to the other side hoping you were there. To be honest,
I didn't even.
even if I win this, this is gonna be very close. I have to get to you. No! I just...
Huh? Yes!
No.
Yes! You fell over at the side, didn't you, thinking you were all clever?
I was just like... I was moving to try and kill you. They'll see what I tried to do, and they'll be like, "That's okay, Luke. Don't worry. Don't worry." They'll see what I was trying to do. I was trying to like hit you, and then I saw you, and I moved to the side, and I moved to.
That was good. You got to admit how I had the reactions to hit you then.
See, I had 2 fast reactions then, basically.
I had good reactions. I even scoped in. I quick scoped you. That was a quick scope. I can actually, if I could have recorded that, that was definitely a quick scope. So I scoped in and shot like, oh my god, he's there. What do I do?
Oh, I only have an SSG.
Oh my god, this could be it. I could capitalize on this. Bullets flying past me, but I can't.
No! Yes! 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 Oh! Oh! That was okay. Oh my god, I moved.
Stop thinking about it. I'm gonna get on top and shoot you from below.
No!
Big up myself. Guess who just won, Nico? Pray.
Right, I need to win. I need to win this game.
It's that's my lucky.
It's
my
1
lucky.
each. Well, no, 2 to you.
Guess not. It's 1-1.
1-1.
Mate, with pistols, it's like really hard.
Oh!
So unfair compared to flipping.
Oh, I got a shot on you. I got a shot on you. I jumped into that. Oh, you shot the window next to me. No, 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 no. Not happening. I literally just got stuck on there. You can't use a pistol.
You can. Pistol and SSG.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know that. So,
SSG, and I did use a Glock 18.
right, I'm on up now anyway, so. Oh, you hit me 6. No! 2-2.
Yeah. 35 seconds, that's all I need. CSGO, that's all I need. 35 seconds. And then I'll start rating in a second. Give me 5 minutes.
I want an SSG again. Beautiful.
I gave that to you. I'm sorry, but you played rubbish then. I should have capitalised on
You
that.
should've.
But could I? No. Because I'm even worse. Well, you're not bad, but
I'm backing on up.
I'm a bit too much there.
I don't know, because there's not a lot of deaths, isn't there? That's only 24 deaths, and the last one we had a lot more than 24 deaths. Oh my god.
That was nice. You jumped into my flipping gun then. Pretty. Well, no, you're this.
Oh, I didn't even have a chance there. I had a pistol.
Oh, did you?
I
Sorry about that. I didn't realise it was that under.
Oh, head.
What?
Beautiful head. It was. It says it in the corner. I see that.
The
That's
worst
the truth.
guy wins, like always.
Did I just break the glass for you?
Mhm.
Oh my god. What? No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, I'm moving.
That was nice. That was actually quite nice. I'm happy with that.
That round there for me was just aid.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
One
whoa,
big
whoa.
aid.
Oh! Oh my god! Mom, get the camera.
I'm gonna put that in there.
God! Yes! You got
6-6.
16 damage on me.
Oh.
Oh my god. Hey, obviously, on video's a bit out of placement, but no!
Oh, 7-7. Don't be like that, Charlie.
I'm actually
Keep your hopes.
Shut up.
What have you done today to make yourself
got an
feel
SSG.
proud?
I've got an SSG as well. It's game over. Sit down, sit down. Who's a winner of them all?
You lied to me.
Oh, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Let's take it over to Luke's corner. How'd you feel, Luke?
Speech. Right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this, the second part of our second episode of our series so far. If you like this if you like this series, then show us what you like about it in the comments. Say some improvements maybe you can think of, or any other series you think we should do. That'd be really useful because we'd love to do some more that you'd actually like. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next video.
Peace. How are you still losing? How are you actually still losing?
I can't believe I just lost that.
2-0, mate.